Hey, if you want to change ear tips on this Jabra Elite 8 Active, all you have to do is just to grab one of this earbud. Now, I can recommend you to roll out of this ear tip like this, then grab it here and pull it. Do this gently, try to move it to the left, to the right side. If it doesn't work, just try to grab it a little bit higher and then just pull it a little bit harder. As you can see now, it's actually we are actually easily remove it. And if you want to put it back, replace with the new one, also I can recommend you to roll it like this to get easy access into this part. And I can highly recommend you to grab it like this and squeeze like this. Now try to put it here and move into the right side. There we go. And now you can put it into this position, and now it's actually finished. So we can actually do the same with this right one. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.